Hey everybody, I think I finally have a solution for my bow problem that has been kind of vexing me for the past 2 or 3 days, and that is, rather than trying to fabricate my own version of this or repair this one, which is something I would love to try doing if I had more time, I'm just going to bite the bullet and buy a professionally made one. Now, I say I would do this if I had more time because it's kind of urgent that I get this done as soon as possible, and here's the reason why. In my current employment, I have a position that's allowed me to work from home for the past 10 months, basically, and it's been great. Didn't even need a car. But I've accepted a new position in that same company, but that new position will require me to come into the office 3 to 5 days a week. So I do need another car, and right now we've got two. I've got the Camry, and then I have my 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible Sunbug named Otto. And the problem with Otto is that he's had a bad top ever since I bought him, pretty much. So, in order for him to be a good daily driver in the winter, he's got to be able to have a good top because it rains here, it snows here, it's cold, and yeah, it's not possible unless he's got a good top. So, but the reason why this is kind of urgent is because I really think that transition to the new job is going to happen probably around the 3rd week of January. Kind of all depends on how quickly my replacement catches up to speed, but he's doing a pretty good job, so I'm feeling kind of this need to get it done. So with that in mind, I've took a vacation time from January 6th through the 13th off from work to do this. My nephew has graciously offered the use of his very large heated garage. He owns a plumbing company, and so he's got a big garage that's heated, and I'll be taking a kind of small corner of it. He's also got a compressor that I can use to do the stapling, which is great. And so, but he also doesn't want my car there for very long. So I kind of scheduled to start on a Wednesday so that I could be there Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I would only be in there here for about roughly 3 days, and then I would have the full weekend to finish up doing everything. I hope it doesn't take me longer than 5 days, but but just in case, I gave myself an extra 2 days on Monday and Tuesday of cushion time so I can still do it. I hope it doesn't take that long. So yeah, that's kind of why it's so urgent. So it's a week from tomorrow is when I'm going to have to take Otto into the shop. So I only have a week to do all the prep work on for the frame and the window, everything kind of get it ready for that. I probably will not be able to paint the car, the frame, until I get to the shop. So that's probably what I'll do the first day, is paint it and then let it dry, and then come back and start working on headliner and that kind of stuff. So about the bow, I've been pricing them, and I knew they start off at $200 to $50 to everything's at $280 for one place, and it's like, well, I can't afford that. But I happened upon West Coast Metric site, and they actually manufacture synthetic bows that are $80 cheaper than the $200 one. So it's $120 for these, which is reasonable. That's much more reasonable than the $200. Now, I don't know if the synthetic material is more difficult or more easy to work with than the wood. I imagine there's probably some density differences, so it might not be as easy to staple into. I don't know, but obviously they work. Otherwise, they wouldn't be offering them as a solution to this issue. So I'm hoping that it's not as bad as it could be. So I'm going to give them a call tomorrow and find out how much shipping is and if they can get it to me before next Wednesday, which is when I take this into the shop. Thank you so much for all the encouragement you're giving me and all the comments in these videos that you're leaving. It's sorely needed, and it's very welcome. Please continue to do so. Most of the videos you're going to be seeing, at least from now on, are probably just going to be me trying to get the convertible top frame prepped. I won't be painting until I get into the actual shop because I can't paint when it's 25 degrees. But I will be getting rid of rust. I'll be getting rid of glue, trying to just get everything in working order so that when I take it there, I can get right to work doing that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Keep on commenting, keep on watching, and appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.